Good morning, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Today we are going to start our new topic. The topic is concept of zero. Concept of zero. Page number 14. Concept of zero. One more than and one less than is completed in before class. Now we start our new topic, concept of zero. Zero means nothing. Zero means nothing. You can see in this picture three pot in this picture and two pot in this picture. You know that three is one more than two. Same thing, you can see here two butterflies in this side and one butterfly in this side. You know that 2 is 1 more than 1. And you can see here one car is in this side and there is no car. So it means 1 is more than nothing. Here is nothing, 0. So you can see that you can say that 1 is more than nothing. It's clear to all of you? It shows nothing, we write 0. We call it as 0. 0 has no value. So next topic is comparing numbers less than, greater than, equal to. So now we are talking about less than, greater than and equal to. First of all, less than. So what is the sign of less than? The sign of less than is this. This means this is how many points? In here 1 points and here 1 2 points. So which is greater? This is greater. This is greater. Always the two sticks, these two sticks are with the greater number, and always this point with the smaller number. Let's see how. You can see here 3 balls and 5 bats. Let's count 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 3 balls and 5 bats. We match each ball with a bat. Then 2 bats are left. We say 3 less than 5. You can see here we have 3 balls and 5 bats, and we match each of them. One ball, one bat, second ball, second bat, third ball, third bat. And you can see that there are 2 bats are left. How many bats are left? 2. It means 3 is less than 4 5. 3 is less than 4 less than 5. And how many? 2. 2. 3 is more than, 3 is less than 2 5. So 3 is less than 5. 3 is 2 less than 5. So now we can say that 3 is less than 5. And how we write? We write 3 less than 5. You know that 2 sticks with the help with the greater number, and 1.1 stick with the smaller number. So you write like this: 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. It's clear to all of you? Okay. Next page. Page number 16. Greater number. Now you can see here how many chocolates? 4 chocolate. 1 2 3 4. And how many girls? Boys? 2 boys. 1 2. So we match the chocolate to boys, 1 and 2. You can see here 2 chocolates are left. So which is greater? This is greater and this is smaller. Here 4 chocolates and here 2 boys. That there are 4 chocolates and 2 boys. 1 chocolate is given to each boy. 2 chocolates and 2 chocolates are left. So we say 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. So how we write? We write 4 greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. So you write like this. This is the sign of greater than. It's clear to all of you? Okay. Equal to. Equal to means number of object in both sides are same. Like this, you can see here how many socks in this side, 1 2 3 4, and how many shoes in this side, 1 2 3 4. So number of object, it's same in both sides. So 4 socks and 4 shoes, you can see 4 socks and 4 shoes, 4 4, both the numbers are same, so we can say that equal, they are equal to each other. Number of socks is equal to the number of shoes. We use the sign of this for equal to and write it as this. So what is the sign of equal to? This is the sign of equal to, and we can say that 4 equal to 4. So how we can write? We can write, put the sign of this. This is the sign of equal to 4 is equal to 4. It's clear to all of you? Now let's see. Count and put the correct sign. Count and put the correct sign less than, greater than, or equal to. So 1 is done for you. How many bed? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you write 6. 1 2 3 4 4. So which number is greater, 6 or 4? 6. So you write, put the sign of greater than. Next, tires. How many tires? Wheels. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 wheels in this side. And how many wheels in this side? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. 8 and 6, which is greater? This is greater, 8, and this is 6. 6 is smaller than 8 and 8 is greater than 6. So 8 is greater, so you write, put the sign of greater than. Put the sign of greater than. Next is books. How many books in here? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 books. And here 3 books. So 5 is greater than 3, so you put the sign of greater. Fridge. 1 2 3 4. 4 fridge. And here 1 2 3 4. 4 fridge. So what do you see here? You can see here 4 object in this, 4 fridge in this side and 4 fridge in this side. So which sign you have put here? You have put here is equal to 4, is equal to 4. And in this picture you can see here 3 balls in this side and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 balls in this side. So what you can see here, you see 3 is less than 9, so you put the sign of less than. Apples. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 apples in this side and 1 2, 2 apples in this side. So 6 is greater than 2, so you put the sign of greater than. I think now you can understand very well how we have the sign of greater than, less than, or equal to. Page number 18. Put the correct sign less than, greater than, or equal to. You can see here 7 and 10. There are two numbers 7 and 10. So 7 is less than 10. So you put the sign of less than. 6 and 2. 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. So you have put the sign of greater than. 8 and 8 both are equal. So you so you have put the sign of is equal to. So 1 2 3. 3 is done for you. And let practice with them. Complete it in your notebook. Put the correct sign less than and greater than are equal to. I hope you all understood very well how we have put the correct sign and concept of zero. So we will meet our next class. Until stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.